Is there FBA Training Online? Yes, there is FBA training available online that teaches you how to start and grow a successful Amazon FBA business. These courses are designed to help sellers of all experience levels, from beginners to professionals, understand how to set up their store, source profitable products, and manage fulfillment efficiently. The lessons are often divided into easy-to-follow modules that make learning step-by-step and practical. Online FBA training typically covers everything you need to know about Amazon's fulfillment system. You'll learn about product research, listing optimization, inventory management, pricing strategies, and Amazon advertising. The goal is to help sellers master the full process of selling through Amazon while saving time and avoiding costly mistakes. Many courses are video-based and can be completed at your own pace, making them accessible to anyone, anywhere. In the real world, thousands of sellers pair FBA training with Helium 10 tools to achieve faster results. Helium 10's all-in-one platform provides practical features like keyword research, profit tracking, and product validation. Everything a seller needs to apply what they've learned in training. Additionally, Helium 10 offers its own in-depth training called Freedom Ticket, which is a professional-level program integrated into its platform for hands-on learning. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to grow your Amazon FBA business like a pro.